This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tess Udenbach. Welcome to your dream home in a vibrant 55-plus community. This delightful property features a thoughtful open floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. The large main bedroom includes a walk-in closet and private bath, abundance of natural light with light paint on interior's walls, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere. Brand new flooring throughout the entire home, modern and open floor plan for seamless living. Step outside to your covered back patio, the perfect spot to relax and soak in the summer vibes. The fenced backyard provides privacy and a secure space for outdoor enjoyment. Indulge in the amenities of this fantastic community, offering a lifestyle of convenience with pool, fitness room, clubhouse and camaraderie. From social gatherings to recreational facilities, you'll find everything you need to make the most of your golden years. Nearby you will find a new Publix as well as a public library, a park. Additional shopping, restaurants and medical facilities are close by. The HOA includes internet, cable TV and trash collection. For more information, review the details below or contact Tess Udenbach at 321-624-4259.